Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. As many of you guys know, I love skincare. It's not just about how to get rid of acne or solving skin issues. I love skincare. It's kind of like a relaxation slash self-indulgence thing for me. I've also partnered up with Vichy in this video to share with you guys some of my best tips and tricks when it comes to my nighttime pamper routine. Chiutips. If you need a mental break, nurturing yourself is the way to go. If you find yourself constantly stressed or not getting enough sleep, a pamper routine is something that you can easily do at home that will make you so much less stressed. Every time I do my pamper routine, I fall asleep quicker and I wake up more awake and refreshed. I'll also be sharing with you guys some skincare tips that you can do overnight that are really gonna help your skin look more radiant and glowing in the morning. So if you wanna see what my relaxing pamper routine looks like, just keep watching. When it comes to relaxing, I always like to make sure my sheets are cleaned, my pillows are nice and fluffy, I put on my nice and cozy robe, and I really try to just get into relaxation and pampering mode. At the start of this routine, I try to make it a goal not to go on my phone, so I just put it on Do Not Disturb and then leave it alone. For my skincare routine, I'm going to put on this super fluffy and soft headband, and then I'll start cleansing. For this, I'll be using the Vichy Normaderm Gel Cleanser. It's suitable for all skin types, but especially great if you have oily combination or acne-prone skin. This exact cleanser is discontinued, but it's been replaced with the Normaderm Phytosolution Cleanser, which has an even better formulation. It's also great for sensitive skin, has active ingredients like salicylic acid and probiotics to help with overall skin health. I love using this during the summer because I tend to get more oily and break out a little bit more often. What's great about this cleansing gel is that it's formulated for acne-prone skin. So when I cleanse, I like to use my Clarisonic for that extra cleansing power, and it really deep cleans into the skin. Once I'm done this, I'll just rinse and pat dry. A great little skincare tip after you cleanse is using a cold towel to help tighten the skin. Now it's time to steam. I recently purchased this steamer off of Amazon and I absolutely love it. It packs a powerful steam, but not too much where you feel like you might be burning your skin. This is very gentle and great to help open up the pores. To prep my next step, I like to steam the face for about a minute before I go into a face mask. And here I'll be using the Vichy Double Glow Peel Mask. These are amazing little travel masks, but because we're not traveling anytime soon, I thought I'd use some up. Then taking my face mask brush, I'm going to gently apply this mask all over the face. What I love about this mask is that it leaves the skin glowing and radiant thanks to the vitamin C and its AHA and volcanic stone exfoliation. One of my best pamper routine tips is to steam your face while applying a mask. And if you have an exfoliating mask, the better, because it actually helps remove the dead skin while using the steam to help cleanse and purify. Once I'm done this, I'm going to rinse with warm water and then pat dry. Now it's time to apply one of my favorite boosters, which has been a staple in my skincare bag for years, Vichy Mineral 89. If you're stressed, this can cause an imbalance in the skin. That's why I love that the Mineral 89 is a safe option to help restore the skin barrier and helps decrease inflammation, dryness, and irritation. My skin is definitely on the drier side, so this really helps with hydration. I also love that it's 100% hypoallergenic, made of volcanic water and hyaluronic acid to help strengthen the skin's natural defenses and helps accelerate skin recovery. Not only that, its clean formula is free of fragrance, alcohol, oil, silicones, colorants, and parabens. Such a big bonus. So to apply, I just gently tap this and press it into the skin until it fully absorbs. And to layer on top of the booster, I'm going to apply the Vichy Normaderm Corrective Anti-Acne Treatment. I'm using this because during the summer months, like I said, I break out a little bit more often and I wasn't eating the best the last couple of days, so you can see that little pimple right in the middle of my forehead. I'll be using this anti-acne treatment with salicylic acid and LHA to help minimize pores and pimples and blackheads. I just apply this lightly all over the face and it's already feeling so much better and softer. If I want to go a little extra, I like to take my face razor and give my face a shave near the jawbone area just to get rid of that little peach fuzz. This is a really great trick to do every couple of months because it helps absorb skincare a lot better and it makes for a perfect canvas when you're applying makeup. And here you can see all those little fuzzies on the blade. And on my pamper days, I like to use this charcoal toothpaste from Tom's of Maine to help gently whiten the teeth. Now let's really get into relaxation mode. I love having a fresh ginger tea. This is very simple. I just grate some fresh ginger into a glass. I grate about a teaspoonful and then I pour in some hot water and let it cool for a couple of minutes and then enjoy. Ginger tea is such a great way to help relax and aid in digestion, so I drink this on a regular basis. My pamper routine would not be complete without my Sage Into the Trees diffuser blend. This is a very grounding scent. I put in a few drops of this into my Sage Aroma Cloud diffuser and I just let it really do its thing. Having my diffuser on really creates a soothing atmosphere where I can relax in. And last but not least, my pamper routine always ends with me writing in my journal before I go to bed. I do this because I have racing thoughts, and that's usually why I need to do a pamper routine. So I write a lot of things down so it get it off my chest and I feel a lot better about it. And once that book is closed, I can easily and restfully go to sleep. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more routines like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.